so we are here at the beach. So for today's video, it's Andrea's pictorial day because she is 11 months. So I just want to have her a nice photo of her. Yeah, she is wearing a American flag dress. So yeah, she looks pretty. So which is our view for her pictorial is beach here at Kinali Beach Bar. Yeah, which is very beautiful. Yes, but it's so hot. Yeah, so gusto ko lang na magkaroon siya ng nice picture since I always use my phone, which is not my camera, it's not good, but I just want to have an experience, you know, like gusto ko lang kasing maranasan na may picture siya na, you know, nice photo shoot, you know. Yeah, it's very hot. So we are here with my kids, Maverick and Andrea, and yeah, my nephew, Cheeser. Yes, Auntie. Oh, kuan ako ng pagmangkon si Justin sa igagawan.
Kiss, kiss. Okay, very good.
Yeah. Don't move back, Mom. So yes, guys. So we are at home. We just got home. Mabilis lang kasi yung pagpa-picture kasi kay kuan man ang gipasuot katong American flag dress. Bag-o man pod 11 months man. Kay kuan man pod adto sa Amerika ugma Independence 4th of July. So sakto i-post ni Alex. Yeah, we are just got home. Yun nga, mabilis lang yung pictorial kasi 25 shoots lang, or yeah, shoots. Yeah, 25 lang na picture ang ino-offer or inaano ko sa photographer. Yeah, 25 picture, which is 500 yung mababayaran. So yun ang bilis lang since mainit na kasi, which is Andrea is very sleepy naman. So very sleepy na siya, so umiiyak na siya, gusto na niyang matulog. So yun nga, ito pinapatulog ko na siya, which is tulog na talaga siya, I think. Yan, tulog na siya. She's very tired. So yun na, guys. Sobrang init guys, sobrang init. Even though it's still morning pa, pero mainit na talaga ang panahon ngayon. Iba na yung iba na ang kainiton sa sun. So yeah, we are happy. I'm happy that may si Andrea, first time photoshoot sa ibang tao. It's my first time also because we don't have a photo shoots from other people. selfie lang kami sa cellphone ko. Yun, hopefully, yeah, isi-send niya yung picture namin mamaya. So, I am excited. But, yeah, hopefully, it looks like, Andrea, habang pinipicturan siya, masaya talaga siya. Ngumingiti siya, smile, but, like, parang, at the end, umiiyak na siya kasi inantok na siya. So, kaya nagmamadali kaming umuwi kasi mainit at she's very sleepy. So, yun na nga guys. Yeah, we are happy. We are happy na na picturean na si Andrea because she is 11 months today. So, yeah. Yun nga. Happy din kasi parang nakalabas na din kami sa bahay. Minsan lang kami lumalabas sa bahay. At kapag lumabas kami, dagat lang yung pinupuntahan namin kasi yun lang yung public area or public place at saka malawak na place. Wala kaming mall, malayo kami sa mall. It takes 2 hours pa sa Tagbilaran. So, yan. Happy naman din. Makalanghap ng hangin. So, yes. Yun na nga, guys. So, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. So, thank you. Bye-bye.